Dan's the team leader and pilot flying the Talon Eagle. It's one of only 5 types of aircraft built by Frank Christensen about 25 years ago. It features dual tapered wings. Dan McClung is sponsored by Pinyan Aero Services and Aero Engines. They've got a engine pumped up to about 327 horsepower with a combination of this plane and its unique design, that hopped-up American-built Lycoming engine, and a great American Patriot pilot, Dan McClung. It is an unbeatable combination. Dan got to start flying. Dan got to start flying in the U.S. Navy. Okay, that's your lesson directly from Dan and McClung. That's right from the cockpit, believe it or not, the Torque Eagle. 21 years of active duty in the United States Navy, active and reserve duty in the United States.